Beauty, your go-to for wedding beauty business advice. Have you ever had a client try to cancel on you last minute or been really unhappy with their wedding hair or makeup service? In this episode today, I'm going to share with you why it is absolutely crucial to have a really solid client contract when working in the wedding freelance hair and makeup world. Hey! Oh, hey, how's it going? It's good to see you.
Oh, yeah, sorry I'm a little bit late.
Yeah, it's okay. You know, we're a few minutes behind now, but that's fine. I'm going to do my best to get you ready on time. Oh, do you have wet hair?
Oh, yeah, I just got out the shower. Yeah, I didn't have time to wash it last night.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I really needed you to wash and dry your hair yesterday. Have it bone dry for today. That's how you prepare your hair best for styling. Don't worry, I do have a blow dryer, but it's going to take me like an extra half an hour, so we are going to be a little bit behind, okay?
Okay, sounds good. Let's go. Hello, Faye Smith Agency. Faye speaking.
Hey Faye, it's Sandra.
Oh, hi, how are you? Like the big day's coming up soon, huh?
So my mom has decided that she's gonna have her like regular hairdresser do her hair, so she's gonna need to cancel her service.
Oh, you can't cancel anything at this point. We have a 2-week cancellation policy, so everything at this point, like we can try and add services for you, but anything else, it has to be paid whether anyone's going to come or not. You know, maybe you want to give that service to someone else because I can't cancel it for you now.
Oh, that wasn't communicated with me.
Oh, yeah, I wrote it in the first email to you, in our very first email with our correspondence.
No, I don't remember you saying that. That really wasn't communicated very well.
Oh, sorry that you missed it. Yeah, that's the policy.
Well, that's really disappointing.
Okay, sorry you're unhappy. Okay, all right, well, I'll see you on the wedding day.
Okay, bye.
Go easy on me. That was my first YouTube acting debut, but I hope those 2 scenarios show to you the real life implications of what not having a contract can do. A contract will protect both you and the client. It will outline clear expectations and responsibilities, therefore avoiding misunderstandings and disputes, meaning that it's going to minimize complaints for you. I've been a freelance makeup and hair artist for 16 years now, and I have been refining my contract for that long. Every single time that a scenario happens where there was a miscommunication between us and one of our clients, I put it into the contract. My contract is like the Fornox of these contracts. So in my contract, I include absolutely everything that the client needs to know, all of the scheduling limitations, payment details, payment due dates, how they should prepare themselves for their trial service, their wedding day service, what they should communicate to their bridesmaids so that they get the message as well. I outline absolutely everything, any penalties for being late, absolutely everything so that communication is crisp, clear, the client knows exactly what to expect and what they're doing, and we know what we're delivering to the customer. Having a contract in the wedding world is extremely important because brides book so far in advance, and we are saving these precious Saturdays in the middle of the summer that absolutely everybody wants. These days and our time are a hot commodity. So this contract is going to protect your overall income and your livelihood. On the contrary, it's demonstrating your commitment to the client. The client is going to know that once they sign that contract with you and pay the deposit, you're locked in and you're not backing out. So it also provides that security for your client, and it's just professional. The whole reason why I had a contract in the first place was because I didn't for many years until a client asked me for one. It's a professional thing to do, it's a part of your business, and it's what a client will expect. Feeling lost? I know, I was feeling lost once too. Don't worry, I have made an editable template for you so that you can download it, pop in your logo, add your colors for your brand, edit the information for your client, and send it away and get it signed. Again, my wedding hair and makeup service contract has 16 years of experience, 16 years of modification. Every single scenario I have come up with in 16 years is troubleshooted in that contract so that the communication is absolutely clear and all problems, complaints, and disputes are avoided. If you'd like to download it, check out the comments below. I've got all of the information down there for you. It's super affordable and it's definitely going to save you on those lawyer fees. I really hope this episode and my acting scenario here has really put things into perspective for you. I am here to help you as a beauty consultant, a beauty business consultant. If you have any comments, questions, leave them down here. I'm happy to help, and that's what I'm here for. Thanks so much, guys. See you next time.